Today guys, just creating a quick video about this Silverstone power supply, PC power supply I purchased from PLE computers, and it comes up with under the recommended PGA power good rating. So I'll just show with two different power supply testers that the PG on this one is 70 and the recommendation is minimum 100. Now the problem is with this power supply, I tried to replace a faulty one in a gaming PC and it would not work properly. So I tested the PG and put in another power supply that had the right PG ratings, and that worked fine. Now I'm putting in a different unit just to see what happens with this one. So let's see, connecting up. So the other one was 70, this one's reading 50. Okay, so still under the recommended rating. So I will swap this power supply with another one. Anyway, I've got some. I'm not sure if I've got. Yeah, I wanted to get this one replaced by PLE, but they didn't, and I'm not getting any success with the manufacturer either. So I'm not sure what the fuss, because like I just want one. They want the computer that I replace the power supply with a working one, with a one that's got a rating of 280 for the PG, or anything more than 100 apparently would work. But anyway, I don't have that computer anymore because that went back to the client. So, and I'm not getting a replacement. Now, what happens is, when I took this unit to PLE, they tested it. They have one tester. They tested it with one tester that was a PG on that tester was 110. Now, I showed my testers with a reading of under 100, and they just said, no, our tester shows that. That's it, we're not going to replace it. So I'm not getting anywhere with this. So I'm not sure why can't they just provide me with one that works. But this is a thing that you have to be probably put up with in the future if you deal with Silverstone and PLE. So they reckon their tester is the one that good, and anyone else is, you can see I tested it with two different power supply testers, and they both read the low rating reading.